Good morning, first grade. Hope you guys are doing well. This will be your last random math experience for first grade. We will continue on with regular lessons starting tomorrow, Friday, May 1st. So today what you're going to do is you are going to make a graph. You can find things in your house or think of certain things in your house and make them into a graph. So I have made a graph of Augustus's things that he has. So I have teddy bears, sea animals, blankets, and then on the other side I have, counting his blocks, red, blue, yellow, green. So here is what mine looks like. I haven't finished my graph completely, but that's what it looks like. So you can just find different items if you want to be as detailed as you want. If you want to go into this deeper and be like, how many pairs of socks do I have? You can do whatever you want. Keep yourself busy with it. I'm sure mom and dad won't mind, because this is something you can do by yourself, okay? For his animals and blankets, I just did 8 squares. That's how tall my tower is. So Augustus, I know that he has 5 different teddy bears. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you guys are going to color this in nicer, right? Because you're going to take your time, where Mrs. Freudenberg has limited time right now. I did sea animals because my sister lives in Atlanta. And let me tell you, if you are looking for a fun family vacation, this is a segue, side note, because you know Mrs. Freudenberg does this all the time. If you are looking for a fun vacation, Atlanta is the place to go, because they have this aquarium, the Georgia Aquarium, and you can go see Coca-Cola World and all these other awesome places that they have there. So we have a bunch of sea animals. So he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He has 6 sea animals. And so I'm going to color that in. And then this kid, let me tell you guys, I don't know about you, but I know kids are attached to something, and my child is attached to soft blankets. So he has 3 in his bed. 4, 5, 6. He has 7 blankets that he uses on a regular basis. So this is all I did, is I just counted and see my graph. So teddy bears was 5, sea animals was 6, and blankets was 7. Now, if I were to make a graph over here, this is a graph that I would make for his blocks. So I have red, blue, yellow, green. Okay? I am not going to count his blocks because he has a bag of 100, and that would be a lot. So that's just what you're doing today for math. You are graphing items. If you want to do something else with math, now is the time where we would be learning. Well, I think we had talked about it before. We've done hours and we've done like a half, so like 6:30 and 3:30. Go ahead and make sure you are looking at the clocks, not a digital clock, but a regular clock, like a watch or something. Or you can even make a clock on a piece of paper and draw some times. That is good stuff to practice, especially since next year in 2nd grade, you will be talking about quarters. So I know it took me a long time growing up, but a quarter, when you're talking of time, is increments of 15 minutes. So 3:15, 3:30, 3:45, 4 o'clock. Okay? But we're not going to worry about that. I want you to just do some hours, do some half hours, and just keep practicing all that stuff. So yes, today you're graphing and working with clocks. Like I said, this is stuff you can do on your own. Get a piece of paper and find a book and a pencil, and you can just go around your house looking for stuff. So good luck. Have fun with that. Can't wait to see your graphs.